What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now in this one I want to talk about a project that came across my desk that seems pretty interesting, and the reason why it's interesting is because of, one, the unique style of presale, and two, the fact that it's the first insurance on blockchain. I feel as though, you're bringing new concepts to the table when it comes to cryptocurrency, which new concepts are what get people really excited, right? So I want to talk about this project, go through everything that they have to offer. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Memereum. They'll be all down there. You'll have the website, the Twitter account, everything that you need to know about this project. Again, I won't be able to go through absolutely everything in detail, but what I will do is go through a lot, briefly, so that you guys get an understanding of what this is, and what it stands for and why I find this interesting. So again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. But when I look into cryptocurrencies, I've been looking into a lot of new cryptocurrencies pre-sales lately, and the reason why I have been looking into those is because I'm into a lot of the top 25 coins right now, and they will probably make huge moves. Some maybe more than others. But when you think about a lot of the gains and what you could have, it's in early stage things that could potentially have the next best thing, right? The next best idea, like the first insurance on blockchain. So you have to find newer projects that have newer concepts that seem to build a stronger community. And this could be one of them. So again, let's go into this. So the first insurance on blockchain, insurance for a wide range of crypto assets against loss or instability globally, extending to specific notes and coins to mitigate depreciation risks. um, Coverage provided for various metal coins like silver, gold, and antiques. Safeguarding precious holdings. Explore coverage options for your assets. Speaking of insurance, let's go through the breakdown for how insurance works. So Memereum token insurance guide. How does it work? Adam found out about Memereum from his friends. Adam decided to protect his future investments. He purchased Memereum tokens, $500 worth of meme. Not only his meme tokens are increasing in value, but now he also protected against specific investments he will decide to make. Adam invested $600 into baby Doge Inu through MemeSwap. Adam lost $600 because a greedy developer of baby Doge Inu decided to steal his funds. Adam decided to make an insurance claim through Memereum's website to recover up to 90% of his $600 he lost on baby Doge Inu. Adam can only claim up to 3 times of his insurance premium, which is $180 worth of meme in this case. Adam's baby Doge holdings, $600, 10% premium is $600 is $60. 60 times 3 is 180, maximum cap of his insurance claim. Memereum Insurance Department accepted his claim and deducted 10% insurance premium of those $600. Adam's insurance premium will be deducted from the total amount of his insurance claim. After processing Adam's claim, he got $180 worth of meme sent to his wallet. Now Adam keeps buying more meme as he wants to use insurance again, which causes meme's price to increase due to high demand. Boring stuff. So Memereum is an insurance community where meme holders are insured by each other, and shortfalls within funds will be covered by the Memereum treasury. We will emphasize that Memereum's corp provides insurance services. However, if It is important to note that these services are not regulated by any financial authority. The Memereum card, while offering financial functionalities, is not a banking service and is not regulated. Users should be aware of the risks associated with utilizing uninsured insurance services and financial products within Memereum ecosystem, including but not limited to the potential loss of funds. Memereum Corp does not warrant the accuracy and completeness of the timeliness and information provided by the on this platform. So obviously you can see the protection that you have within any type of rug pull or any type of issue that you do get into, just to understand the insurance side of things. Now, here's the pre-sale information, right? Until a next price increase, you have 1 day, 11 hours, 55 seconds, or 55 minutes, and 54 seconds. Current price is about 3 cents, 3.7 cents per meme. And then you have the next price is going to be 3.75 per meme. Price increases every 72 hours. The reason why I said that this is unique, right? You don't typically see that, right? Price increasing over a number of days, maybe every every week or 2 weeks or a month, right? Seeing the price increase every 72 hours, you see or can understand exactly when you're going to see that launch that does happen. You're also going to understand the fact that you continually see an increase. If you buy now, 72 hours from now, you're going to see an increase in that price. Currently, meme at 3.7 cents is up 370% as of right now. Now, with the launch price is going to be 45 cents, which is essentially 12.5 times from now. So that it's going to be a lot higher. The point is that that next 72 hours is going to be higher. So that where you bought, it's going to be a higher price. So no matter what, you're going to have that profit out of it from the pre-sale. And as long as this does see a level of gains, a level of returns, a level of stability, you could potentially see a lot more as time goes on. Now, there is a good community on Telegram. I want you guys to go ahead and check out their Telegram. I will provide their Telegram link down below. So feel free to check that out. Different places they've been seen on: Crypto News, Techopedia, Watch Your Guru, Yahoo Finance, Business Community, and so far, and so on and so forth. Coin distribution, right? The tokenomics. You have 200 million total supply. 100 million in pre-sale. You have 50 million to be burned, and you know how I feel about burns. I'm a big fan of burns overall because creating something that's deflationary is my dream, right? To see these projects that essentially make themselves stronger by burning off supply, whether it's a consistent burn or just something that has been burned right from the start. You're showing that strength, right? And you're showing the ability to be burned in the future if you wanted to. Memereum ensures a fair and strategic distribution to fuel its ecosystem's growth. And we scroll down here. Why choose Memereum? Discover Memereum, the innovative solution, redefining the crypto landscape. Here's why investing in meme is a game changer. You have Meme Swap. We're introducing our own exchange, Meme Swap, offering complimentary 24-hour insurance for your coins, for coins approved and active on our platform. So just to show you guys, Meme Swap is very simple to understand. It's pretty self-explanatory. There are a lot of swapping mechanism out there that a lot of people understand. So, something like a Uniswap or something like a Pancake Swap, you'd be able to swap, let's say, BNB for Doge. You would have, ETH for Doge or whatever you wanted to swap it for. It's very simple to fully understand. And then you also have staking that is coming soon that we did, talk about within here. So very simple. 24-hour complimentary claims are eligible blah, 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 only in the case of a rug pull or depreciation of the specific token. subject to meeting our terms and conditions and satisfying our underwriting criteria. Fast payout times. You have experienced team. You have an audited project as well, so it ensures security and safeguarding, right? The In the event of a Memereum, insurance claim against all insured assets, including rug pull projects, crypto, and fiat depreciation. Most claims will typically take up to 3 to 5 business days to be paid out. Secured by the Memereum offers comprehensive insurance coverage for a wide range of variable assets, valuable assets, including digital coins, fiat currencies, and precious metals, safeguarding against potential loss of value or volatility. So, again, right now it is in pre-sale. You have one day, 11 hours until the next price increase. So if you wanted to get in here knowing that this is going to have an increase every 72 hours, feel free to go ahead and check that out. Now, when it comes to more information, first let's go over to their Twitter accounts. You guys can see that if you want to follow them on Twitter. Feel free to follow them on Twitter. Currently at 5,581 followers at the moment. But just getting into a little bit more information, they do have, a 183% APY staking at the moment. And I don't know how that does fluctuate, and if it is fixed, I'm sure it's not there. But so apparently anybody, we also have some other news. Apparently anybody that buys $350 worth gets a free NFT, which last time got sold on OpenSea for 1.6 ETH. Now, it's not a guarantee that that will be the case, but seeing that example, you obviously have that ability to make a decent amount off of the NFT as well as, buying the position and exactly where that will be at, maybe 10 or 12 times the price at launch. But then you also have the future potential of where that can go after, launch and the different things that they do there. Now, it's already confirmed to have 3 CEXs ready to go. Exchanges in the top 30, and then you have at least 7 more top 20 exchanges to be announced. So if you're looking for hype, you're looking for potential, you're looking for popularity, this could be something that honestly does provide you with that. Not only with the popularity and everything, but also with the use, or with the reason for holding that position or utilizing their swap system, being more secure, understanding that this is the first insurance on the blockchain, right? Which is pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna definitely look at this a lot further in more detail. Obviously, I can't go through everything within a video. It might be like a 30 or 40-minute video, which maybe some of you might not mind. But feel free to check out the links down below for Memereum, for their Twitter account, their website, their Telegram, all of that stuff. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.